There are 1,000 reasons to enjoy the dawn, especially after a successful hunt. There is only one reason that she quickens her pace. Her calls are not being answered. Every time she leaves them alone, they wander off. The little male has been going further and further, but both always return to the same spot. But not today. Although there is a strong scent of buffalo, there is no sign of the pride, so she carefully follows the cub's trail away from the hiding place and out into the open. A call. It's the female cub, way across the open terrain in the distance, clearly upset, but alive. Marditau the Protector has not failed completely. She has found one of the cubs. Her kill has brought a loyal following of scavengers, and they can sense some weakness about her. With no sign of the little male, she'll defend her last cub against the mob of hyenas at all costs. In this final hopeless moment, she seems to understand the risks of following the buffalo and what happened here last night. She hesitates just long enough to give hope. But she can't mend a broken back. No amount of care, licking, defending will fix this. When she steps away finally, Marditau leaves behind her legacy, the last of her male's bloodline, and her name. She is Marditau, mother and protector of lions, no more. We don't know about animal grief, or even the effect of any broken heart. But something happens to the lone lioness when the storm of emotion brews up in her eyes, and she leaves her cub behind for the last time. When she roars, she calls to no one. Her voice just adds to the turbulent day. On this day when she's lost everything, she seems to draw on a deeply held instinct and transforms herself once again into a lone huntress. For a single lioness to run directly into the buffalo is virtually unheard of. To take on the largest male in that herd, a fit fighting bull, is almost suicide. Too much for her. Too much hardship for one day. Is it a lament to the gods? A cry for help, or a last battle cry of frustration? The pride again. Their arrival is always sparked by any disturbance, but this time she will not retreat. And now the past strengthens her. The submission extracted from Silvereye is enough for the lone lioness. She has something left to do. And in this moment of strength, something fundamental changes. Something the pride recognizes. They sense it in the determination in her step and the look in her eye. Something unseen. She is transformed into a leader. It's more than Silvereye can do to follow her old enemy, especially across water, especially as a lower-ranking huntress. Lions hunt with coordination, and when the stakes are high, they depend on being well rehearsed. Now, hunting together for the first time, every instinct drives them to find that rhythm. All they can rely on is the leadership of a lioness who has never led before.